Guys, in this video, I'm going to be discussing how to get rich with AI. This is an important topic that we need to talk about because a lot of people are actually talking about how AI is taking away our jobs and all those things. They only talk about the negative aspect of it, forgetting that the benefit that comes with it is even much better than the jobs they are taking, because as they are taking the jobs, they are actually creating more jobs for us. All right, so it only takes time for you to actually reason to get to understand how you can actually use AI in your own field. That's the reason why, like, I'm making this video actually to discuss how we can actually get rich with AI. So in this video, I'm going to be discussing many ways we can get rich with AI, which number one is content creation with AI. All right, so basically, many people are actually using AI to create content these days, and they are making money. So you can actually use AI to create a automated YouTube channel, right? And you can use tools like ChatGPT, Pictory, and a lot of them to actually create a automated channel on YouTube. Understand? And you will see that you're making money out of it. All right, and also you can use AI to create TikTok and Instagram reel. Right, use AI to create engaging short form content and narrate trending fact stories. Right, so you can use AI to create content. Like now recently there is this AI video of children. I think they call it a baby podcast that's actually trending on TikTok right now, and a lot of people are making millions with that kind of content, because that kind of content, when you put it out there, you make millions of views and people are making money with it. There are a lot of content. Even there is this one I used to watch mostly on Instagram, cat AI page, and the people that own that page, they are making money with it. This is actually a way to actually make money with AI by creating content, right? And also you can use AI to create ebook and blog posts. All right, and write and sell ebook or monetize blog using AI content generation. All right, so a lot of people are actually generating ebooks. So before, to create an ebook actually takes time. The first ebook I made, I spent over 1 month to make that ebook, because I wanted to actually make the ebook make sense. But right now, you see, that thing that I spent 1 month to do is something that with the help of AI, I can actually achieve that within 5 minutes, sometimes like 2 minutes, depending on what you want to do. So you can actually generate ebooks. All you just need to do is just to tell the AI, this is what I want you to do, and AI is going to generate it. And I remember back in the days, 2012, 2011, that we used to do blogging. Understand? I own a blog website. Then we actually write our content. We write our content. If we are not copying from other blogs, we write it down. But right now, we can actually tell AI to write that blog post for you, and all you just need to do is just to copy and paste on your blog. So AI is now making it easy for us. And also, we are discussing voiceover. All right. So a lot of people actually use AI to do their voiceover, and you now, as a voiceover artist that feel like, okay, AI is taking over my job, why not you learn how to use AI to do that job? When you learn how to use AI to do the job, you can actually get the job and use AI to do it easily. If you're supposed to actually make you spend money for the studio, because most voiceover artists do not have studio, so they need to pay for studio and all those things. So with the help of AI, you can also use AI to generate a voiceover with your own voice. AI will clone your own voice and generate a voiceover for you. You see that it makes it easy. The money you spend actually to go to studio, it makes it easy for you to actually keep the money and also the time, because this is what AI will actually do within 5 minutes. And if you are supposed to go to studio, you are going to spend like 5 hours, sometimes 24 hours for you to get the job done. And you see, it makes it easier for you to actually do the job, because in as much as they are saying that AI is taking over the place, they're taking up people's job, it's not everybody that knows how to use AI. So in your field as a voiceover artist, right, you just need to understand how to use AI. So all these people that don't know how to use AI, when they come, you now use the AI for your own benefit. So number three is AI art and graphics. Sell AI generated image, logos, or NFT art using platform like Midjourney, Dell E, or Leonard AI. So there was a time I wanted to actually learn graphic designing, and man, it wasn't easy. And right now, I can actually design artwork right now with AI. There are some gospel artists that dropped song a few months ago, and they came to me. They want to put the song on social media platform, and I charge them to for putting their song on social media platform, and also charge them to create artwork for them. And I use AI to generate that artwork. You see how I made money off it, right? So this is also how you can actually make money with AI. This is now taking us to the next step, right? So another way you can actually make money with AI is freelancing with AI. Understand? AI video editing. Use Runway ML or the script to provide fast video editing services. All right. So most of us understand what is freelancing. Freelancing basically actually means like you now maybe you have a skill and you render those skills as a service to people. All right. So let me say, for instance, you actually you don't know how to edit video, right? Or you have basic knowledge on video editing. You can also collect job from people and boom, tell them that you will edit their video and AI will do the job. Resume writing and copywriting. Use of ChatGPT to write professional resume. Social media management. Create AI generated content, calendar, and caption for clients. AI powered SEO services offer blog writing, keyword research, and content optimization, right? So as a freelancer, or even if you don't even understand how it works, right? If you can actually get to learn more on how freelancing works, right? Without idea of all those things, you can use AI to do the jobs. Like few weeks ago, I created a website for somebody and I used AI to do that. Even so, see, almost of all these things, if you want me to make videos on how to do them, just tell me in the comment section. I'm going to make video on that. I created a website, a food website for a company, all right, and I used AI to do it. The website is currently working right now. So I'm going to actually be making a video on how to create a website with AI, and it's very simple. Like within 5 minutes, a website, full website will be done. So this is something that you can actually tell people that you create website and boom, use AI to do it. There are so many things you can actually do for people using AI. Just like we stated, video editing, graphic designing, and all those things. So through freelancing, you can actually make money with AI. So next way to actually make money with AI is through AI app and tool development. Actually this one is actually like you now building AI apps, and tools. So like I made a video recently when I taught you guys how to create Bible character, and you understand that that website I did that video from, is owned by people, and people are actually paying for subscription on that website, and those subscription people are paying actually is going to some people's pockets, which is those people are making money off it. And how is that possible? That's because they created an AI website and is now rendering service to people. So this is another way you can actually make money with it. So the next way to actually make money with AI is through business and e-commerce application, which number one is product description for stores, use of AI to auto-generate product listing for Shopify and ST, AI customer support, implement AI chatbots to save money and resell services to others. Dropshipping with AI, use AI to analyze trends, write ads, and manage content creation. Automated marketing, use AI to write ad copy, email, and optimize ad. Just all fall into what I have been explaining. Understand? So all these kind of things are the things that actually you use AI for. It actually helps to make your business easier. All right. When you use AI to run your business, it makes it easier. Understand? You can easily do all this listing, even it will help you with customer support and a lot of things. All right. There are so many things people use AI to do, and you see when you put in AI to your business, right, it helps you to earn more money because it will limit the time you spend on unnecessary things, because AI is now doing the job for you. Then you now see that you're making more money out of it. So the last one is education and courses. right? So with AI, you sell AI courses, right? Teach people how to use ChatGPT, Midjourney, or AI in business, right? There is this content creator. What's this guy's name again? I was going through his page and I saw a video he made with AI, and he was telling his followers that particular video he paid 25,000 naira to learn it. That if you want to learn, you should click the link in his description. What he's actually trying to do is this: he's trying to sell AI courses. He's trying to teach people how to use AI. So you can learn AI and teach people how to use it and make money off it. And start a YouTube channel or TikTok. Share AI tutorial, reviews, and tools walkthrough. Right? Coaching and consulting. Help businesses integrate AI into their workflow or marketing. Just like I said earlier, all right, that when you put in AI in your business, it's easy. So you're now educating people how to actually use AI for their businesses, right? You see that, actually you are going to be making money off it. There is one of my coach, we were in a class on Sunday, and he was like, he was transported from Nigeria to India to explain to a company the reason why they need to use a certain AI tool, why they are supposed to use it. And he was paid not less than $10,000. Just It's not just to, like, they didn't tell him to come and teach them anything, no, just that the reason why they need it. So what he did is that he went from Lagos to India to explain to them why they need that AI tool for their business. Right? So when you gather all these ideas and you teach people, you make money off it. You see that different people will be calling you from different parts of the world. Right? So you just need to understand this. Like, why I wrote this thing down is that I want to actually break this particular tutorial down so that you get to understand how to make money with AI, so that you won't follow all these people that are crying, "Hey, AI is taking away our job. AI is taking away our job." No, AI is not taking away your job. AI is also bringing more job opportunities. As it's taking away jobs, it's bringing job opportunities. That's why they say that when the world is moving forward, also try as much as possible to follow and move forward. Because if the world is moving forward and you're always on the negative aspect of it, saying, this thing now on a world thing or worldly thing, the world will pass you. That's why you see some years ago, when there are some churches that were not watching TV, they say if you watch TV na sin. Right now, are they not watching the TV? Shey they carry phone now and they still they watch the same TV. All right. This is because the world was moving forward and then we are looking backwards. So now it's time for AI. So you need to learn how to use AI, right? And also make money with AI, right? So if you love this video, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. And if you want me to make more videos on AI, just tell me in the comment section and I'm going to be doing that. All right. So thank you all for watching and see you in my next video.